In this video, I will be showing you how to create a flowchart in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the Canva home screen and search for whiteboard to open a fresh workspace. Once the canvas loads, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and select the Shapes category. I'll start by clicking on a square to add it to the board. I can easily resize this shape by dragging the corners, and then I'll change its color to a neutral white. To make it look more like a professional diagram, I'll adjust the border weight to give it a clean outline. Now, I'll use the quick flow buttons on the sides of the shape to automatically generate connected boxes, building out a basic organizational structure. I can adjust the line styles and arrowheads from the top menu to ensure the flow is clear. To add a decision point, I'll select a diamond shape from the menu and place it in the center. I'll resize it to fit and change its border style to match the other elements. Next, I'll continue adding connection lines by clicking the plus icons on the shapes, dragging them to create new branches for my flowchart. I can move these lines around to create curved or straight paths depending on the layout. To make the chart more detailed, I'll add more rectangular steps and use the alignment guides to keep everything symmetrical. Now it's time to add text. I'll double-click inside each shape to start typing. I'll label the first box as brainstorming, the next as trends, and continue with new product and research. For the decision diamond, I'll type prototyping. I can then add yes and no labels to the branching lines to indicate the direction of the process. I'll fill in the remaining boxes with review, quick design, refinement, and finally, design, implementation, and testing for the final stages. To wrap things up, I'll add a main title at the bottom by inserting a text box and typing process flow. I'll adjust the font size and style to make it stand out. And just like that, we have a professional, easy-to-read flowchart.